Hello everyone, I'm Jeanette Liberty, and this is an instructional video on how to use Kaltura Media to make instructional videos for your online or distance learning classes. I'm actually recording this video using my iPhone and a program called iMovie. Similar programs are available on iPhones and Android devices, as well as on your desktop or laptop computers. You can use any one of those programs to create content to be used through Kaltura Media. However, the easiest type of content you can create is created using the Kaltura Capture program. Kaltura Capture is already embedded directly into Blackboard. Therefore, it's available for you to use on any computer as long as you have access to Blackboard. This video is going to show you how to use Kaltura Capture to make lecture videos or interactive quizzes for your online and distance learning classes. Thanks for joining me. Here we go. To begin using Kaltura Media, you'll need to log in to your Blackboard account. Log in using your regular username and password. Once you have logged into Blackboard, you will select the class in which you want to build a Kaltura Media video. Simply scroll through your classes until you locate the course that you want to edit. Select that course by double-clicking and entering the course. Once you are inside the course, you'll scroll down and on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll go to the coursework menu and select Course Content. Once you are in the course content screen, you'll have the opportunity to build your course content. In order to access Kaltura Media, you will have to select the Tools drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Kaltura Media. This will bring you into the mashup gallery containing all of your Kaltura media. If you've already made films using the Kaltura Media options, they will appear here in a list format. As you can see here, I have several different videos that come up automatically when I load Kaltura Media. These are videos that I've made in the past. I can embed those videos simply by selecting them. But for the purposes of this video, we'll create a new video using Kaltura Media. To create a new video, we'll click the Add New button. When you click that option, you'll see three sub-options. The first is Media Upload. This allows you to upload media from any other source in a variety of video formats. It could be a video you made on your iPhone or Android device, as well as any media you've created using your laptop or desktop computers. For the purposes of this video, we're going to use Kaltura Capture. Kaltura Capture allows you to record your screen and your face for the purposes of creating a video lecture. We select it simply by clicking on that option. It will bring you into the Kaltura Capture Space video desktop recorder. Since it's already installed, it should launch automatically. What you will see on your screen is this. This is the Kaltura Capture taskbar. I like to move it so that it's off to the side. You'll see that there's three different options. The first one shows that you will record your screen and has an image of the content that's currently on your screen. The second is the camera. The camera shows what you're actually recording. In this sense, it's me. Hi, I'm recording. The last is your audio option, and that lets you know which microphone it will be using in order to record your audio. When you're ready to begin recording, you'll simply press this red Start Recording button. That button is going to begin your video. It begins with a countdown that goes 3, 2, 1, at which point it will begin recording both your webcam and the screen in front of you. So, for the purposes of this video, I want to make a lecture using some PowerPoint. Before I start recording, I want to have the PowerPoint all ready to go on my screen. As soon as I press start recording, it's going to cue the countdown, which will then give me enough time to enlarge this so that it takes up the entire screen. Let's do that now. I'm going to click start recording, and then I'm going to enlarge my PowerPoint so that it takes up the entire screen. On the bottom right-hand side of your computer screen, you'll see a countdown clock that lets you know that you are in fact recording this video. At this point, you would simply begin your lecture. You can navigate through the PowerPoint slides the same way you would if it were an in-class lecture. See? All the information comes up just as easily as we click. For the sake of this video, let's pretend that we're already done recording our lecture. When you're finished, you can simply push the pause recording button. That will stop the recording on your screen. The next thing you'll want to do is push this square stop recording button. If you accidentally hit the X, that will cancel your recording, but prior to immediately erasing it, it will ask you to be sure that you want to cancel that recording. What we want to do for the sake of this video is click stop recording. It will prompt us once again, are you sure that you want to stop recording? Yes, we're finished. Once you're finished, it will take you out of that screen and into the Kaltura capture screen. On this screen, you'll have the option of providing a title for your video. We will entitle our video the same name as our PowerPoint, American Legal Heritage. You also have the option of including a description. So we can draft that here. Once you've completed that, down on the bottom, there are two options. One says save and one says upload. Unfortunately, the way this appears on my screen, you can't actually see those options. The one on the right-hand side simply says save. The one on the left-hand side says save and upload. You want to select save and upload because this will automatically save the content into your Kaltura Capture library and also upload it directly into your Blackboard page. If you're somewhere where you have slow internet, you may choose to just save this as an option and upload it later on. You can always access your Kaltura videos in your Kaltura Capture library. As you can see, every video I've made using Kaltura Capture exists within this library. At this point in time, it's uploading my American Legal Heritage video into Blackboard. For now, let's return to Blackboard. I've received a notification letting me know that my media is fully uploaded. When I go back, I'm in my media uploads inside of my gallery. Therefore, everything I've made already appears in here, including my American Legal Heritage video. When I'm ready to upload that into my Blackboard course, I simply click Select. That will transfer the video into my course content. I'll provide it with a label. We'll call it American Legal Heritage. I'm also given the option to provide a description at this point in time. If you'd like to describe your video, you can do so there. We want to make sure that users are permitted to see it, and in my case, I don't need to track the number of views. You also can restrict the date and time in which you want students to be able to see this. Once you've done that, simply click Submit. The video will now appear in your course content as something the students can watch. When they're ready to go, they'll simply click on the video itself. If they click that arrow, the video will begin to play. Another option that we have is to actually build a quiz using Kaltura Media. Using the quiz option, we have the opportunity to embed questions directly into our videos, and students must answer those questions prior to completing the video. To do that, you simply click Add New and then select the video quiz option. Once you've selected the video quiz option, it will ask which video you want to include a quiz with. We're going to select our video on the federal court system. Once you decide which video you're going to use as a quiz, you simply hit select and it will take you to the quiz building screen. In this screen, you have the opportunity to simply embed questions into your quiz. Into your video. You do that by selecting Add a Question. When you click Add a Question, a new screen will pop up asking you what type of question you would like to install. You can use a multiple choice question, a true-false question, an open-ended question, or a reflection point. Let's use the multiple choice question for the purposes of this video. When I select multiple choice, it gives me the option to write a question. I'm going to ask, how many levels of courts are there in the federal court system? Then you type the correct answers. You can add as many as you like, and once you're done, you simply select Save. You indicate the correct answer here with this little check mark. So we're going to press Save. That will embed the question directly into our video. You can see where the question appears because there's this little cube that denotes a question has been asked. Here in our preview, we can actually see what that question is. Once you've added all your questions, you'll want to preview the video to make sure the questions appear where you want them to. When you click preview, you'll see exactly what the students see when they log in to watch the video. So as soon as we hit play, you'll see the students receive a message indicating that the video includes a quiz and wishing them good luck. It indicates that the questions must be answered and the quiz will automatically be submitted at the end of the video. If they click continue in this video, they'll be immediately prompted with a question. They have to answer that question. They can skip it for now and come back later if they want to, but for the sake of this video, let's answer our question. Once the question has been answered, the video simply resumes. As soon as we're done, we have the option of clicking done, and we can save and embed by simply clicking the Save and Embed option. Clicking Save and Embed will allow us to install our federal courts video quiz. Once you're ready to proceed, you click Submit. This will take you back to course content, and you'll see that the video has been added under course content as a video quiz. The students simply click play in order to watch the video. That concludes our instructional video on how to use Kaltura Media in an online or distance learning course. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Following this video are some helpful hints on how to make your online content a little bit better and a little bit clearer for students. Thanks for joining us, and good luck.